Hello family, hello fashionistas, welcome again to Fashion Design Ideas. Welcome again to another video where I bring together a combination of beautiful and amazing collection of Ramadan for couples, which is Ramadan couple dress styles, which couples usually wear during this festive period of the Ramadan and other festive periods, and they even wear these dresses out during special events like weddings and other festivity. These dresses are being designed using different Bazin quality materials, which we also do this. And these styles, as you see on your screen, is being designed by African fashion designers from all over Africa. Special credit goes to all the amazing African fashion designers for these beautiful and amazing designs. These dress designs that you see on your screen, we equally design and we ship all around the world. Should in case you are in any country, in Senegal, in Congo, in Ethiopia, in Europe, in Asia, and you need any of these dresses for you and your spouse, all you need to do is just to take a screenshot of that particular style that you admire the most and you send it to the WhatsApp number, which I'm going to leave in the pinned comment below and on the description box of this video, so that we will talk on the pricing, the quality, and the shipping of your dresses to you, to your respective countries. So what are you waiting for? Take a screenshot and send right now for your design to be designed for you and your spouse. As you watch this video till the end, do well to select your own style, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. you.